welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're at
Car show.
Today we're to a car show. Let's go. Bottle flip. And you bring me. Let's go, Mom. Let's go.
And you show some cars too.
Guys,
Yours.
guys, look at that yellow car.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Don't touch.
There's a towel and papers in the hat. Why is there a hat? It's a mystery, guys. Guys, I see a cool car. Come here, let's go in. I see two cool cars.
Go on. This is a Pontiac.
This is a cool one. Guys, it has papers in it. Guys, it's getting rubber.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Or what about the green one?
Nah.
No, you like the red one?
There's no seats. Oh, in the back.
You win.
I like this one.
Go ask. I'll go ask this owner of the car. Say to him, what year is it? Let's go.
What?
Say, what year is this car? Go on, ask the guy. Hey, how are you?
What's your favorite car so far?
This one, the red one?
The red one? Oh, she's barking. Oh, stop. Bailey. Stop.
This is not Bella, no?
Bailey.
Bailey Bella.
Your
She
dog
has
is
Bella. Bella, yes.
What kind do you have? What kind of
Yorkie.
Oh, Yorkie?
Yeah.
So small too.
Yeah, small.
You like Bella?
Yeah.
You didn't bring her here?
No, maybe next time.
They told me no dogs.
No dogs?
Yeah, so they said, okay, I put it back in
We
here.
want to touch her.
No, you can't.
Okay. What years does this car?
What year? 2014. See? 2014.
2014, Emma.
It's Pontiac.
No,
2014.
it's Mustang.
Mustang.
No, it says Pony.
I know, but that's just the
14.
license plate.
That's a license pony.
Pony. So Pony. So it's Pony.
Mustang.
And this goes Pony.
Let's go in the back, look at the back. Oh,
Shush.
Starbucks.
I'll take her out for a minute if you want, but
you sure?
yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah, you can.
Gallagher's.
Oh,
So
okay.
They sponsor.
Okay.
It's just no dogs, but I don't see them around. But
I know the.
Look,
I know.
them?
I know the spot. You know Gary or no?
Yeah.
Gary, I know Gary very well, so he knows the owner.
It's not the people working here.
No, yeah.
It's the sponsors. I don't know. They said they pee on the cars or lift their leg. She's a female.
Yeah,
If they do it for one, they can't do it.
Yeah.
So I understand, but.
Oh, but I want to check.
Emma, come here, Maya. Look,
I'm gonna go the other way.
the other way.
Guys, we're gonna watch the dog.
Oh, look at this puppy.
Come here.
Wow. Touch it, Emma.
Really? Yeah. It's okay. Sit, Billy. Sit.
Good girl.
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl.
Sometimes she's scared with the little kids. But
Yeah.
she's getting used to it.
Good girl. Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
Maya, enough.
How
Enough.
old is yours?
3 years old.
3. Oh, she's still young then.
Young, yeah.
She's 3.
Beyond the puppy, but still young.
Yeah.
She's 3. I'm 7.
Oh, you're 7?
Oh,
She's probably what, 2?
No, she's
Oh,
3.
she's 3.
Yeah.
she looks like a
So you got the same. Who came first? You or the dog?
No, this girl.
She came first?
Yeah, then we bought
Then
a
you
dog.
got the dog.
Yeah.
See how nice?
Wow.
She's nice.
No, first we bought a dog.
See how nice, Bailey? Just be careful around the eye.
Yeah.
Don't. Just pet her.
Maya, let's go.
Okay.
Thank you, say.
Okay, no
Thank
problem. Bailey says thank
you.
you.
Bailey, thank you.
Yeah, she's getting used to you now.
She's like cutting.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
But then she was scared of me. Good luck, yeah.
Good luck.
Hey,
Thank
okay.
you.
Take care. We'll see you around again.
Yes.
Go on the swings. But I'm gonna eat today.
Amy, what about this one? Do you like this one? Look, the red and black.
Yeah, I like the.
Don't touch it.
I like the design of it.
Design.
I like this one. I like this one. Only the design. I can. Look at this car, guys. Got car.
Ooh, hot color, right?
Yeah, I like the color.
Don't touch.
Let's go on the swings. Go guys, hurry up.
This is the most I've seen this year.
It's my
You like the car show?
When is it gonna be like guys? When is it gonna be like Dad? When is it gonna be like the car racing each other?
Soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you for watching Emmy channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time.